Yeah, we gave the old Windows sweeps and track a shot. Check it out. First person makes fun of my stomach, you could turn off your thing. Alright then. 3 screws. There's like little holes inside the rubber deal here. And it's a Phillips head. If I can find the stupid thing. Alright, I got a hold of it. She's a turning. That's good. Yeah. Probably should have used a smaller Phillips. There's one. This one's actually located in the wrong spot. I don't know who cobbled that together. But that ain't no vintage screw, I can tell you that much. Alright then, we got a hole up here. And a screw. It's coming loose without a problem. I can't see because the sun's blinding me to death. Alright, that whole unit's loose. Let's crank down the window. Get this bad boy out of the way. Whoa. That was easy. Alright. Now, we have a screw right here. A screw right there. I don't know if you can see it. And that one down there. Let's see what happens. Just keep watching. Nice and smooth. Look at that, baby cakes. It's a tiny one, you know what I'm saying? Got this top one here. Good to go. And I gotta go get another tool. So for the nut down here on this this window track, it's a I'm just gonna use a 3/8 nut driver on it. Gonna crack that loose, get the nut off of it. Now listen to me and listen carefully. That thing might be rusted, right? Put some PB or something on there, let it sit for a minute so you don't strip it out, or you're gonna be an unhappy camper. All right. So that's the location. If you look inside, I don't know if I can get the camera in there, you can see the track in there. Now, behind each of these posts is a clip and a washer, okay? And it looks like, hell, it looks like they fell off. Let's see. Yeah, see that? All right, I got the glass sitting down on the door. Track's coming loose. Okay, I made a mistake. There was actually 2 screws up here. One up here on a little flange, and then the bolt or the nut down there. So now that we got the window settled in the door, we're simply going to push this track in. Look at that. We're going to bend it over. You see that? We're going to angle enough just to slide up this way. Bring it all the way over and out. All right, that's the track. Look what's missing. The felt. The original piece looks like it's still in there. Matter of fact, it looks like, yeah, it's pretty rough shape. Okay, that's that. I got all the windows out. Next step is to get this old window sweep material out of here and this old track stuff here. I think it's attached. So, Mike, you say, what's holding the old felt track in? It's a couple of more screws holding it in, that's what it is. Since it's old and crusty, I just ripped it out of there. We're just gonna pull this beast out. And and we're going to toss it. Now, if you notice on this track, can you see that at all in the video? There's a little clip in there that sort of holds this sweep on. And all I'm doing really is just sort of getting in here and popping those little bad boys out. Of course, it falls inside. It's killing me, right? Where are you at? Doesn't matter. Nice and clean. Now let's get all this cleaned up and primed. And I wonder what this video is going to look like when you watch it. Probably like a Batman video where I'm sitting sideways. Window sweeps out, window felt, trim, windows disconnected from the track. Let's see if we can get the window lifted out of here without a problem. Oh yeah, look at that, folks. Perfect. All right, let's get some cleaning done. So, basically came in, sanded off the arm funk, got some primer on it. All right, I want to get this window channel location painted with OD before I put the felts in so I don't damage them. And then I can mask all that garbage off and paint the rest of the door later on. But I'm trying to get this thing weather tight. That's the intent. Oh yeah, nothing like a little OD green to get your day going. Alright, so yeah, the paint went on pretty nice. Little rattle can job. It's not super perfect, but I don't want it to be because I want it to be. Okay, so while you were sleeping, I got the window back in the tracks. Let me tell you something. This was actually a pretty easy project to do. Look at this. Smooth. Comes right up. Tucks right in, and it's quiet and protected. Now I can shut the door. And it's still good to go, eh? Next, we'll put the corner window back in. I got one that actually has a working lever. Not the glass ain't all that good, but that's okay. I'll get weather tight. And then the inside sweep is part of the inside trim ring that goes in here. So let me get that installed and we'll check back in with you. All right, so corner windows in. Remember, 1, 2, 3 screws. 55-mile air conditioning. Yeah, it's an ugly window, but the latch works. That's what I need. Window still cranks up and down nice and smooth and quiet. Keeps out the weather. Alright then, a couple of things to make sure that you don't forget. I lost a clip here, so I got a washer and a little C-clip going on there. And there's some little snap clips back here that hold the track on. I went ahead and lubricated each of the tracks so we've got smooth movement. And you can see that the window sweep is in there nice. Got those little pinch clips in there. I want to tighten it up a tad. And we got a nice clean sweep all the way up and around. Pretty satisfied. And I got the new one inside here. All right. That's all she wrote. All right, so a view from the cheap seats. This is with the glass settled in. Pretty happy. And there's the ugly window. Anybody got a nicer looking one out there with a good latch, let me know. And that's how you get that done. Go work on your Jeeps.